Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and publish your own idea in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end. Follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for the Deepstash, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page we're greeted by, from where we can get started reusing it, finding the books we want to read and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to publish our own idea. So basically, to publish an idea, you're going to look right here at the bottom of the screen. Take a look at the section where you can find all the options we can use, such as home, explore, library and so on. We have the create option. This is going to enable us to create ideas. So don't just read to remember, share your insights with the community. So this is going to enable us to start writing now. By clicking the start writing now option, it's going to enable you to add a post, add from a book and so on. This is going to enable you to post your ideas. So let's say you want to add a post. Here you can go ahead and add an image to your post, give it a title. As you can see currently it's untitled, so you can give it whatever title you want. Let's say tutorial, and from here we can go ahead and continue with the post. So you have your text right here where you can go ahead and manage the text of your idea, the quote, image, whatever you want to put into your idea, you can do so right here. Once you're finished, click the next button in the upper right corner, click finish, and this is going to enable you to successfully add your idea to your vault in Deepstash. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.